Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you to add gas to fill it. So from here we'll go to the passenger side, and over here you should see your gas cover. This is just a spring-loaded release, so just push this to open it, and then double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris in here. Good to fill, you'll just unscrew this cap. And then for this particular model, I would probably use like an 87 unleaded, but double check your owner's manual, good online source for your particular make and model, make sure you get the best kind. But at the gas pump or with your gas can, just fill as needed. And then when you're done, just screw this back on nice and tight. And when you hear this click, then you'll know that it's screwed on tight. That's more of an emissions control. But when you're done, just close this up again, and we're all set. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.